visualization or a single statement. So, doon nakuha yung, isn't it wonderful? Kasi something happened na grabe, di ba? Parang, nandun na lahat na excitement mo, nandun na lahat ng fulfillment na parang, isn't it wonderful that I feel this way already? Everything is there. And that's a perfect example ng visualization exercise. Is it your first time to do that? That's good. That's good. You mentioned about yung gusto pang mabuhay ng matagal. Kasi just to share with you, I've been the depression era. Started around 2018. You feel lost and you feel like parang walang solution. Diba? So when I found this manifestation gives me hope. Oh my God, ang dami ko pa palang gusto ma-experience. Ang dami ko. Everything is available to you. Isa lang yung rule na you don't hurt other people. That's it. Diba? Pero as long as, diba, parang good intention yan, and it will help you and other people, it's for you. That's very good. And I want you to be detailed as possible. Yes. 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 You know why? Dapat mo dyan yung pinaka-specific na version of you. Pero, 1 year kasi yung sinabi natin kanina, right? It doesn't mean na it will take us 1 year to fulfill those desire. As early as now, you can literally jump to that version already. Wherein you feel the love, you feel the support, you feel na nag-align na sa'yo lahat ng aspect ng life mo. That part, you can definitely have that in an instant. When you talk about desire, that's where other people actually fall short talaga. 1 month. Yep, 1 month. What do we call it? We call it 3D. I'm grateful that I earn 100,000 per month easily. Like, I'm not super tired. Everything is easy. Tapos, nakalagay dito, happy environment. Isiset ko na, ganitong oras. Hindi siya inspired action. Yan, diba? I'm grateful. It's not like, I want this, no. When you're praying, when you have your desires already, and you're praying for it, and you're scripting it, then i-declare mo siya, declaration, it should be on the wish fulfilled na. Meaning, it's done. Wishing, diba? Kundi, you're acknowledging. I have a notebook for scripting, and scripting, diary, lahat na nandito eh. Lahat ng vision. Minsan, in the middle of the day, may vision ako. Nagsulat ako nung April 11. 7 goals. Ang title ko dito, claim it, it's done. Free international travel and Thailand trip. So, which is, kasi imposible sa atin eh. Very specific. It sounds dumb or it sounds stupid. That's exactly why a lot of people are just earning this. Diba? Yung earnings mo is directly related sa money mindset mo. Kung ano yung sa tingin mo worth mo na ma-receive, yun yung sahod mo. Those people na after a year or 2 years, you also find 30,000 to be, I strongly believe na sometimes they just complain before. And if you really think yung desire na to, you wouldn't really have a strong desire for it. Halimbawa, iPhone. You have that excitement, yes. You have that fulfillment. Pero you reach that point, it really means it's done. Nakakalimutan mo siya. Hindi siya ganan. I'm talking about the needy part, yung neediness part. For example, you know it's coming, right? You don't always check nasa. So the fact that you're checking, you're not yet sure. So that's where all the techniques would come in, right? Basta lagi mo isipin, like, magbigay ka ng example ng mga bagay na meron ka na, like your phone. I'm sure, like, ano yung phone mo ngayon? You have that feeling of some sort of relief or like peace need mong ma-achieve or ma-practice na feeling towards your desire. For example, when it comes to your partner, Would you constantly need him? Kayo together? Exactly. That's the reason why you don't have him right now. It's because of that. And let me share to you. No? So even if the 3D is not showing you what you want, it doesn't matter. Time is an illusion. Let's just say you have your desires already. Does it matter kung 1 month ba siya, 2 months, 1 week?